Hello everyone, welcome to Wrath of Math. I'm your host, Sean Ian. In today's video, we are talking about mean, median, and mode, and how to find them given a set of data. So let's say a group of hunters goes starbelly sneetch hunting, and one hunter catches 3 sneetches, one gets 6, one gets 1, one gets 4, one gets 9, and a couple of very skilled hunters are able to get 13 starbelly sneetches. We want to find the mean, the median, and the mode of this set of data. How do we do it? Well, first, let's find the median. In order to find the median, you've got to take your data and you have to list it in increasing order or decreasing. It doesn't really matter. Generally, you'll list your data in increasing order. So I wrote it wrong the first time. I forgot the 4. So we have we've got 1 is our lowest number. Then we've got 3. Then we've got 4. Then we've got 6. Then we've got 9, 13, and another 13. And this is our data list in increasing order from lowest to greatest. So to find the median, all you have to do is pick out the middle number. Because we're working with a pretty small set here, you can at a glance pretty much tell that the middle number is 6. If you had a longer string of data, what you would generally do is just cross off the smallest, cross off the largest, cross off the next one, cross off the next largest, cross off the next smallest, cross off the next largest, and when you get to just one number left, that's your median. If you get to just 2 numbers left, well, we will get there. So we know that the median of this set of data is 6. We listed it from smallest to greatest. Let me fix that 6 a little bit. And then we found the middle number. Now let's find the mode. Well, the median is the middle of your set of data. The mode is simply the data point that appears the most. In this case, 13 is the only data point that appears more than once. In this case, it appears twice, while every other one appears only once. So 13 is the mode because it occurs the most often. Now, the mean is computationally the most difficult one, but it's still not too tricky. So for the mean, all you have to do is add up all of your data points and then divide it by the total number of data points. So in this case, we have 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 13 plus 13. And this gets divided by our total number of data points, which, as we said earlier, was 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we divide the sum of all of our data points by 7. Now, is equal to 49 divided by 7, which is equal to 7. So we know that our mean is 7. So now let's change the data up a little bit just to see how some different changes in the data could affect these 3 statistical numbers. So let's say a very skilled hunter just comes back and he was able to get 23 sneetches. So if we just tack on another value here, now we also have a 23 number in there. Well, if we try to find our median, we'll have this list of numbers again, but then we'll have a 23 up here. And if you work through this, we'll end up crossing off these 3 numbers and these 3, and we'll be left with 6 and 9. When you're left with 2 numbers in the middle of your set of data, when you're trying to find the median, in this case 6 and 9, you just take the halfway point between them. How do you find that? Well, 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So all you have to do is add 1.5 to the smaller number. That's 6 plus 1.5, that's 7.5. So our new median, which is the middle of the data, is 7.5. What is our mode? Well, our mode remains unchanged by this adjustment to the data. We still have 2 13s and 1 of everything else. Now the mean is going to get hit by this change the most. We have all of these numbers. Now let's extend the fraction a little bit and add 23. We can cross this out because this is no longer true. We had 49. To that we add 23, and that's going to give us 72. So now we've got 72. Is it divided by 7? No, now it's divided by 8 because we've got an additional data point. So we divide it by 8. And this is equal to 9. So our new mean is 9. You can see our median went up just a little bit, our mode stayed the same, and our mean changed by 2 whole units. Now that is not to say that the median is always going to get changed very little and that the mode will remain unchanged, but this is just an example to show you how additional data points can affect these statistics. Say we were to add in 2 more 9s into this set of data, then our mode would change to 9 because we'd have 3 9s. Our median would change to 9, and this is just adjusting the original set of data with the 2 9s, not including the 23. And our mean would be pulled up just a little bit because 9 is a little bit higher than our original mean. So I hope this video helps show you how you can find median, mode, and mean and what they mean given a set of data. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments or if you need anything clarified or have any other videos you would like to see. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time, and be sure to subscribe for these swankiest math videos on the internet.
I can hear your voice from all the way up here, dear. Won't you please come to